Hi, what's up? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So, I guess y'all loved my previous reaction with Wing. So, I'll be going deeper into some more of his songs, into some more of his beatboxing because, bro, trust me, that guy is an absolute fire. Like, definitely, this thing you all see burning here with this lighter, yeah, definitely fire, bro. So, I've encountered another participant with him. It's called HISS. And this is a collaboration between the two. Okay? So, this song that they'll be performing is called World League Tag Team Wildcard. GB25. So, this is actually my first time seeing of HISS. And I would like to see what he's capable of. So, with this being said, let's go.
Yo, this is His and Wing, and this is our tag team wildcard for GBB25 World League.
Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. 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 Okay. 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 So, oh what the fuck? Oh what the fuck? Yo, I have to go back. I'm sorry, but I have to go back, bro.
Yo, this is His and Wing, and this is our tag team wildcard for GBB25 World League.
Wow. Yo, that's perfectly harmonizing, bro. The vocalization of them, it's perfect, bro. Perfect timing. Wow. Incredible. These guys are unmatched. Very unmatched. Damn. Bah, 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 bah. Yo. Yeah. Yeah. Superb, bro. Superb. Superb, man. This is some heck of a beatboxing, bro. These two are perfectly matched, bro. Yo, it is sounding as if I'm listening to an original beat, man. These guys make it so simple, man, but this is something that is difficult to do if we're not practicing. Or if we're not cut out to do this, bro, it's gonna be hard. It's gonna be hard, bro. Very hard, man. Damn.
Click. Stop. Tap. More. Skip.
Oh my god. Oh my god, that was so relaxing, bro. Damn. Damn. No way. Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Whoa. Whoa. Incredible. Dog. Yo, these guys kill it, bro. HISS killed it. Wing killed it. They all killed it, bro. Damn. Extraordinary, bro. Extraordinary. Okay. So look here. If you guys enjoy this reaction, remember to stay tuned. I think I'll be going to do a reaction with Wing and Improver next. So if you guys want to see that reaction, remember to leave it down in the comments so I could check it out. Because Improver is one of my best beatboxers out there. Likewise, Tara Stunning. And now I have Wing and HISS on my team. So let's see. Let's see. So thanks for watching. If you all love my reaction, remember to subscribe for more. Stay tuned, hit the bell icon to be notified of whenever time I released another reaction. So I'll see you all around, bro. Peace.